All right, ladies and gentlemen, September 2nd, 2016, your Bird Contracting IMCA Sport Compacts. Big Bride will lead them off. To the back of the pack. Oh, and Ashley Bird gets loose out of 3 down there. Puts the 69X down in first place out of 4. And 69X has picked up a win down there. Hades, Kansas at RPM Speedway. Baco off the track again over there in turn 2. Oh, and Ashley Bird slides up again. Top side of 3 and 4. They probably should have ran the late models first heats out. This track is not set for the front-wheel drive 4-cylinder sport compact just yet. But that's just my personal opinion. The white flag, one to go, the 69X. Battles back there for that P2, but Ashley Bird with a real nice inside turn, but just couldn't hold it. It got away from her a little bit coming out of 2. Josh Howard out front. Oh, and John Hines goes up over the top of turn 3. Brittany Ball right there in 3rd place. Josh Howard out front. Second. Brittany Ball staying in that hammer. Running P4 tonight. Got Sean Hines back there in 5th. Number 11, Josh Howard out front. Oh, come on, you gotta hold it together, boy. Josh Howard, this quicker out there. Oh, and Baby Driving took it top side of turn 2 over here and put it in the back of the pack. That's pulled it back up there to P2. Josh Howard out front. He better go. It's coming like this. Come on. Bailey Glavin making the inside pass from the tail end of the field to the front. He's go. picking up your heat win tonight. Universe Contracting IMCA Sport Compacts, Bailey Glavin. Richard Crow in that 69X from the back of the pack, ladies and gentlemen. He picked up the heat win. Can he get it up there? He's got Bailey Glavin up in front of him. In the number 6. He's going to try to pick up the win as well. Here comes Richard Crow. He's throws it in the turn 1, ladies and gentlemen. He's up there in P5. From the back of the pack. Out of turn 2 already in 5th. Out of 10 of them, ladies and gentlemen. Ashland Bird out front. Brandon Wise, top side of the 7K out of 4. He'll get the position. Pole sitter and outside. They're going to get it back on the pack after the first lap. And I'm sure what happened to Ashland Bird. But she has fell off, and so has Paco Montague. Josh Howard has slowed down the backstretch. I do not know what's going on, ladies and gentlemen. Brandon Wise has got a little bit of metal hanging on. And Paco Montague will take it into the pits. I want to say, along with Josh Howard, that is who is following him in down there in turn 4. To the backside hot pits. We haven't seen the pits active since they brought the mudslingers out here. I don't like that a bit, ladies and gentlemen. I like to see the action. Brandon Wise in P1. Keep an eye on that 69X. Richard Crow, he picked up the heat win earlier tonight. He's got Bailey Glavin right behind him. Chris Hine, Sean Hine back there in P4. They'll put Ashland Bird back up there evidently.
Jerry, if you can hear me up there, buddy. I'm down here on pit road. We've got some intense action going for the 72 of Paco Montague and the 11 of Josh Howard. We are changing tires like it's going out of style, buddy. And it's a free-for-all. And Paco Montague comes down.
I wish we could see everything he's talking about. Normally we would. As I was talking, that hot pit right there ain't had no action since they brought the mudslingers out here, and they made a mud pit down there.
Down here helping the competition. Can't give enough kudos to this
Paco Montague will bring it from the backside, a hot pit back out there. Haven't seen Josh Howard roll down through there yet. We'll keep an eye on him over there. Sounds like I hear him. Here he comes. Flies by the ambulance, takes it around. He'll be looking for him. He's got to go. He'll give him the green flag. Brandon Wise out front. Richard Crow right there in P2. Ashland Bird in third. To the inside. Here comes Sean Hine. He'll rub the backside of the number 6 of Bailey Glavin down the back foot to the 4-3. It's a battle up front. 1 and 2. Brandon Wise and Richard Crow. Back there. I want to give a big shout out to him for making the haul tonight, ladies and gentlemen. We sure appreciate it down here at Salina Speedway. Richard Crow, let's get it in the way. So let's go. Down backstretch. 7K out front. 69X in P2. Ashley Bird back there in third. She's got to keep it straight, ladies and gentlemen. And rub door panels! Not sure what's up with Brittany's ball or Big Brad right there, but they are slow in a 1 or 2. We'll see what'll happen off of that one. But it's a shakedown right here with Richard Crow and Brandon Wise back there. You keep an eye on these guys, ladies and gentlemen, for sure. Ashley Bird, she'll make it back out there, ladies and gentlemen. Ashley taking it around. All right, here comes Friday too. Caution in case didn't originally come out for her. We'll keep an eye out there on the flag bit. Richard Sims, he'll look him over out of 4. He'll give him the green. Green light is on. 7K out front, out of 4. Howard, Paco Montague, Bailey Glavin, 3, 4, and 5. Richard Crow tries a snare to 7K over right there in 4. He's on him, he's got to go. Richard Crow getting inside the 1. Going on, out of backstretch, ladies and gentlemen, in the 3. It's a battle. Who is going to pull this one off? Richard Crow sticks it out there. Out of 4, ladies and gentlemen. Look up there to check a flag, 69X. Richard Crow. Brandon Wise in second. Paco Montague running out a real nice top 3. Bailey Glavin in 4. Ashley Bird in 5th.
He's picking up his second win on the night after the
The Salina Speedway tonight. Grand Island, Nebraska.
Big thank you. Making a haul from Nebraska, Richard Crow in the 69X.
With the big W, are we expecting to see you on a Friday again? Next week, the hometown track. So, yeah, good. Well, darn fine job. Congratulations. Welcome to Salina Speedway. We'll see you again.